Hi, hello everyone. My name is Puru and I welcome you all to my channel Learn with Puru. So in this video, we will see that how we'll get a remainder when we divide something. In most of the programming languages and also in Python, if we divide any division, then we will get only the question and most of the time in the float. But will not get the remainder. To get the remainder, I have done a simple equation that you all have learned in a smaller classes. So if you don't know about how to use Visual Studio Code and install Python, then just visit my channel and I've also given the link below in the description. Okay, so let's start. So let me briefly tell you about the equation. So you all must have known that it is that dividend sorry uh, that dividend will be equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay, so now to get now to simply get the remainder, we will use this above equation, which is equal to dividend equals to sorry remainder equals to dividend minus quotient into divisor. So it's a very simple technique and now you must know that how to do it. So let's start. So guys, now you can see that I have opened my Visual Studio Code in a folder on how to get remainder in Python. Okay, so now we will start our coding. So first I will create an Python file with finding finding remainder.py as it's a Python file. Then we will first start with the function, as if we want to just rerun it as many times as we want or put it in a loop, then it will be better. Okay, so now there is a main thing that you all have to note, that in all variables we will take it as integers. Okay, means int, not strings, as we want the as we doing every equation which goes into the integers, so we will not require any string. Okay, but if we don't tell the program that this variable is an integer, then it will take the value of that variable as in strings. Okay, so first we will take an input for the dividend equals to int input. So this command is used, that input, and then we have to type here, which will show to the user. I put this int over here as the thing that will, and the data that will be taken as integers. So please enter the dividend. Okay, now I will again just copy the code, paste it, and there is a function of a Visual Studio Code. If you click two places with cursor and alt, then you can type it together. So here you can see, now I'll type it divisor. Okay, now we have got our dividend and divisor. Now we will require our quotient equal to dividend divided by the divisor. So we will also put it in brackets as integer. Okay, now we have to find the remainder, for which we have seen the formula which I have written here. Remainder equals to dividend minus quotient into divisor. So dividend minus, now first we have to perform this quotient, and in programming we use this as multiplication operator, and then the divisor. If you don't put the bracket, then it will first I think will divide the dividend and the quotient and then multiply. Okay, so now we will return our quotient and remainder. Okay, so variables are case sensitive, so take care of it. Now we just print the output. So first we will make an variable again with quotient comma remainder equals to divide. Okay, now I will print it, and then f string the quotient is quotient and remainder is remainder of the above given equation. Okay, so now let's run and check it. Okay, so now it's asking for please enter the dividend. I will put 41. Okay, please enter the divisor, then I will put 5. Then you can see the question is 8 and the remainder is 1 of the above given equation. So if we want it that it will not stop the program and go on till we want, so we'll put it in a loop of while true. Okay, and then we are just print press Control plus C to stop the program. So it is a basic technique of every languages that we have to use this Control C to exit our program. So now I will run this. Come press Control plus C to stop the program. Please enter the dividend. So I press 54 and then I will press 3. So now you can see that I have got that the question is 18 and the remainder is 0 of the above equation. Again press Ctrl plus C, then this time I will type 3 and then 2. So it's come the question is 1 and the remainder is 1. So if I want to exit, I will simply press Ctrl plus C. Okay. So now this program is executed. So now this was all about our how to find and remainder using Python. Okay, so it was very easy. Here you can see. Okay, so here is the video on how to install Python and Visual Studio Code. And also one thing, that all these details that I have told you in this video will be available in my website, link given below in the description, on how to get remainder in Python. So thank you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and give a like to this video.